Alright guys, so if you have just created your Etsy account and just listed your first product, and as soon after this you have got the email from Etsy that your account has been suspended, then no need to worry or no need to panic, because this might happen with many sellers. Like while listing their first product on Etsy, they might do something wrong which is against the policy or terms and service of Etsy, and Etsy just send them an automated email of account suspension to them, so they cannot start selling on that particular listing. So if that is the same case with you, then no need to worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you the complete process step by step that how you can get your Etsy account back if you also get the email from Etsy of account suspension. So this method will apply on all cases. If you are a new Etsy seller, you have just signed up on Etsy and Etsy has blocked your account, or if you are an old Etsy seller and you have just violated some policy or terms and Etsy has blocked your old account as well, then this method will work for both of the cases. So to get your Etsy account back, keep on watching this video till the end. Before starting the video, if you want to learn all those do and don'ts which can help you to prevent your Etsy account to get suspended, then make sure to watch my other videos in which I have explained you in detail all the terms and policy of Etsy, like what you can do and what you cannot do to prevent your account from suspension. But this video is only for those who have already got their account suspended. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now and I have just opened Etsy Help Center. So if you just Google Etsy Help Center, you will not find this link. So for your ease, I have put the link of this Etsy Help Center in the description of this video. So you can just go in the description, click on that link and just land on this page. So after getting on this page, you will be able to see this form which says Get Help. And you can see that it is asking for your email address, the subject, the description, and at last it is asking you a question that why was your account closed? So first of all, in this field, you need to type your email address which you have used to create your Etsy account. And in the second field, in the subject, you need to type the reason of contact, which is here in this case is my Etsy account has been suspended. So after typing the subject, you need to go on this description field, and this is the main field where you need to address the issue in such a way that the Etsy seller support will understand that they have mistakenly deactivated your account and you have not done anything that violates the Etsy policy. So here I am just reading the text which I have just written here, so you don't need to copy the same text, but you need to modify that text as per your scenario. You need to explain them that you have not violated any policy of the Etsy. Like before listing your product, you have just read their terms and conditions and you have done everything that is as per their policy. So when you do so, the chances of getting your account back will be super high. So let's start reading this. Hi Etsy support, my Etsy account just got suspended without any reason and I don't think so that I have violated any policy, as I have listed my first product after reading all the terms and conditions of Etsy. My product is 100% designed by me on Canva and it is as per the Etsy policy. So please give me a chance to do business with you. Best regard. So in this paragraph, I have explained them that I have just listed my first product and my account got suspended, and this account might be suspended due to any mistake because I haven't violated any Etsy policy because I have read all of the policy before listing my first product. So when you type this kind of description here and in the last option, you select Etsy closed my account because of policy violation. So by doing so, when you submit this application, the chances of getting your account back will be super high because I have implemented this strategy myself on 5 to 6 accounts and every time I got my account back. So before clicking on this send button, you can just click on this add file and you can just add any of the file which you can think is a supportive document for your statement. For example, if we have uploaded a physical product and you are the manufacturer or owner of that product, so you can just attach some picture from the factory here in the add files, or if we have just uploaded a digital product and we have just designed your product on Canva, so you can just put the Canva screenshot here. So that a screenshot or that document will be act as supportive document for your case and that will make your case more strong. So after doing all this, you just need to click on send and then you need to wait for at least 24 hours to get the email from Etsy seller support, and if you fill in all the data properly, then you will get your account back. So right after watching this video, go on this link, fill out that form, and if you also get your account back, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box below so all of the other people who are watching this video will also know that this method actually works for you. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.